In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stripe payments for web design agency using GoHighLevel. By the end, your agency will be ready to accept client payments directly through invoices, order forms, and funnels inside your GoHighLevel account, all powered securely by Stripe. Start by opening your GoHighLevel account in your browser and make sure you're in the correct location or sub-account for your web design agency. This matters because the Stripe connection is saved at the location level and you want payments to flow into the right place. Next, head to the left sidebar and open the Payments section. This is your hub for everything billing related in GoHighLevel, where you'll create invoices, view transactions, and manage payment settings. Once you're in Payments, look for the Integrations area. This tab is where GoHighLevel lists the providers it can connect to for processing. Find Stripe in the list of available integrations. Before you click anything, double-check you're still in the correct location, then click Connect. You'll see a GoHighLevel page that explains the connection. Click Connect with Stripe to launch the Secure Stripe window. This uses Stripe's official flow to link your accounts safely. When the Stripe screen opens, type in the email address associated with your Stripe account and continue. If you're new to Stripe, this same screen can guide you through creating or activating your account with your business details. After entering your email, type your password and submit. If Stripe prompts for two-factor authentication or asks you to confirm business information, complete those steps so the connection can finish smoothly. Once you've authenticated, Stripe will send you back to GoHighLevel. You should now see Stripe marked as connected for this location. That's your signal that payments in GoHighLevel, like one-time project invoices, monthly maintenance subscriptions, or deposit requests, will process through your Stripe account. A few quick tips to keep things tidy for a web design agency. Use the Stripe account dedicated to this business so your reporting stays clean. Make sure your legal entity, bank account, and public business details are accurate in Stripe to avoid payout delays. And keep your GoHighLevel location access limited to team members who handle billing. That's it. You've connected Stripe to GoHighLevel and unlocked a streamlined payment workflow for your clients. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you finalize your setup.